Okay. Hello guys. Thank you for those who subscribed, and if you're yet to subscribe, please hit subscribe button, like this video, comment, and share. So quick one today. I'm going to show you how to shorten your LinkedIn URL. Now, some of you might have heard, or your recruiter and HR manager must have told you that please shorten your LinkedIn URL. And you'll be asking why is it necessary and all that. So it's very, very important. Now, when a link is too long, like so lengthy, so it doesn't make your CV more like in a professional way. Let me put it that way. It's not professional and doesn't make your CV look well structured. Let me put it that way. So please do it to shorten your LinkedIn, either your LinkedIn link or your portfolio link, any links you have. Please make sure you shorten your links. Now, let me show you how to shorten your LinkedIn URL. So, because I was also, because from my research, I think, and I was chatting with a recruiter one day. She said, "Please send me your LinkedIn link." So I sent her that. She shouted. I think like she was like over the phone, so I could from her tone. So she said that, "Why is LinkedIn link so long?" I was confused. Why? She said, "Shorten your LinkedIn link." I was like, "How?" So I don't want to ask her how. So I went and I did my research, and I saw how to shorten LinkedIn links. Now let me show you. It's pretty easy and fast. So you open to your LinkedIn, you go to public profile URL. You click on that. When you click on that, it takes you to edit my public profile URL. So when you click on that, and it's very pretty, very fast. So less than a minute or two, you are done. So now, prior to this time, as you can see, this is my LinkedIn link. LinkedIn.com, BC, as you can see. And let me click on it. As you can see, BC. And prior to this time, my LinkedIn will post BC 1, 2, 3, 4. It's one long numbers like that. So, and it wasn't. And I copied that link and I pasted it on my CV. So long to so very long. So also to shorten it. But I had no idea. I just put my LinkedIn link out there so people can see it, not knowing that lengthy LinkedIn link is, I think, is an off for most recruiters. So please do it to shorten your LinkedIn link. So what you have to do, those long numbers, take them up and then put your first name and your last name there. You save. That's it. Successfully, you're done. So it's easy, it's fast. Please make sure you shorten your LinkedIn links. Not only LinkedIn links, all other links. It can be your profile links, your any other link, your portfolio link, and all your links. Please make sure you shorten them. So please, if this video resonates with you, please do it to subscribe, like this video, and share. Thank you.